Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If Gears of War Reloaded isn't launching, keeps crashing, or won't even open on the Xbox app or Microsoft Store, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you several proven methods to fix it. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Xbox app, select Gears of War Reloaded from your library. Click on the three dots next to it, then select Manage. Go to the Files tab. First, click on Check for Updates. This makes sure you have the latest patch installed. If the game still doesn't work, select Verify and Repair. This will scan your game files and reset Gears of War Reloaded back to its original settings. Be aware, mod files and unsaved game progress might be lost. Confirm by pressing Yes, then wait for the repair process to finish. Launch the game again to test if it works. Step 2. Open the Start menu, then go to Settings. Open Apps, then Installed Apps. Locate Gears of War Reloaded in the list. Click the three dots and select Advanced Options. Here you have two choices. First, click Repair. This fixes the app without touching your data. If that doesn't solve the problem, click Reset. This will permanently delete the game's data, including preferences and sign-in details. Confirm by pressing Reset again. If the game is still broken, select Uninstall. This will remove Gears of War Reloaded from your PC, but your personal documents will remain safe. Solution 3. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager. Open it. Then expand Display Adapters. Right-click on your GPU and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Wait for Windows to check and update your graphics card to the latest version. Why this helps? Outdated or corrupted GPU drivers are one of the most common causes of crashes and launch errors. Solution 4. If you have an NVIDIA graphics card, open the Start menu and type NVIDIA App. Open it, then click on the Drivers tab. Select Check for Updates. If an update is available, install it right away. Keeping your NVIDIA drivers updated ensures the best compatibility with new titles like Gears of War Reloaded. Solution 5. Sometimes the issue is caused by missing or corrupted Visual C++ files. To fix this, open the link in the description of this video. Scroll down and download both versions, VCRedist x86 and VCRedist x64. Once downloaded, double-click on VCRedist x64.exe. Press Yes, accept the terms, and wait for the installation to finish. Press Close when done, but don't restart yet. Now, double-click on VCRedist x86.exe. Again, press Yes, accept the terms, and install. After both are installed, restart your PC. This ensures that Gears of War Reloaded has all the necessary runtime libraries to work properly. Solution 6. Force high-performance GPU. Open the Start menu and go to Settings. Open System. Click on Display, then scroll down and select Graphics. Click on Add Microsoft Store app. Select Gears of War Reloaded from the list and add it. Expand the game's options, then choose High Performance from the drop-down menu. Save the changes and launch your game. This forces Windows to run the game on your dedicated GPU instead of integrated graphics, which often fixes performance or launch issues. That's it. By following these extra steps, updating drivers, reinstalling Visual C++ packages, and making sure your GPU is set to high performance, Gears of War Reloaded should now run smoothly on your PC. If this video helped, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which solution worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.